Welcome back. You can add integers, you can subtract them. Today we multiply, and we start with the most famous question in all of grade 9 mathematics. -3 times -4. What do you get? +12 or -12. Most learners know the rule, but very few know why it works. Today you'll get both, the rule and the reason. And once you see the reason, you will never forget the rule. 3 things you will walk away with today. First, you will see why negative times negative is positive. Using a pattern you can rebuild anytime you doubt yourself. Second, you will multiply any integers confidently, even 3 factors at once. And third, you will use it in real life, falling prices, dropping temperatures, and game scores. Multiplication is repeated addition that one idea explains everything about the signs. 4 times -3 just means -3, 4 times. On the number line, starting from 0, we take 4 jumps of 3 to the left and land on -12. So a positive times a negative is negative. 4 times -3 is -12. Now for the famous question, watch this pattern carefully. 3 times -3 is -9. 2 times -3, -6. 1 times -3, -3. 0 times -3, 0. Do you see it? Every time the first number drops by 1, the answer grows by 3. -9, -6, -3, 0. The pattern climbs by 3 each row. So what must come next? -1 times -3 must be +3. And -2 times -3, +6. The pattern leaves us no choice. Negative times negative has to be positive. Here are all 4 sign rules together. Positive times positive, positive times negative, negative, negative times positive, negative, and negative times negative, positive. Or, in one line, same signs give a positive, different signs give a negative. Multiply the sizes, then apply this. Let's use the rules. 2 steps every time. Multiply the sizes, then decide the sign. Example A. 6 times -4. Sizes. 6 times 4 is 24. Signs. 1 positive, 1 negative different. So the answer is -24. Example B. -7 times 5. 7 5s are 35. The signs are different again. -35. Example C. -8 times -9. 8 9s are 72, and the signs are the same, both negative. Same signs means positive. Positive 72. That is our pattern from earlier, doing its job. The rules don't care how big the numbers are or how many there are. Let's stretch them. A. -12 times 6. 12 6s are 72, different signs, -72. B. -15 times -4. 15 times 4 is 60, same signs, +60. C. Now, 3 factors. -2 times -3, same signs, +6. Then +6 times -4, different signs, -24. Here is the shortcut. Just count the negative signs. An even count gives a positive answer. An odd count gives a negative. 3 negatives odd, so -24. 1 glance, and you know the sign before you multiply anything. In real life, multiplying by a negative shows up whenever the same loss repeats. 3 problems. Problem 1. At the market, the price of tomatoes drops by 3 shillings every day for 5 days. What is the total change? A drop of 3 is -3, 5 times. 5 times -3, -15. The price fell by 15 shillings. Problem 2. On a cold night, the temperature falls 2 degrees every hour for 6 hours. 6 times -2, -12. The temperature dropped 12 degrees in total. Problem 3. In a dice game, if you toss an odd number, you lose 3 times that number. Achieng tosses a 5. Losing 3 per point is -3 times 5, -15. She writes -15 on the score sheet. 2 traps catch almost everyone at least once. Let's bring them safely here, where it costs no marks. Trap 1. 2 negatives make it more negative. -3 times -4 is not -12. Remember the pattern. The answers were climbing by 3 each row. Same signs, +12. That rule is for multiplication. Don't confuse it with adding 2 negatives, which does stay negative. Trap 2. With 3 factors, learners see negatives canceling and write +24 wrong. Count the negatives. 1, 2, 3. An odd number. Odd count means negative. -24. 2 negatives cancel. The third one survives. Best habit. Decide the sign first, count the negatives, then multiply the sizes. Sign first, then multiply. Quick recap. You now own all 3 promises from the start. You saw WHY, negative times negative is positive. The climbing pattern leaves no other option. The rules: same signs positive, different signs negative, multiply the sizes, then place the sign. And for 3 or more factors, an even count of negatives is positive, an odd count is negative. Pause and try these. A, -9 times 6. B, -7 times -8. C, the price drops 5 shillings a day for 4 days. What is the total change? Answers: A, -54. B, same signs +56. C, 4 times -5, a drop of 20 shillings. Practice questions with fresh numbers are waiting below. Next lesson, division of integers and good news. You already know its sign rules. See you there.